Hello everyone. So this is Shruti Kora and I'm teaching live at Unacademy. So this is a very important video because this is an announcement for all of you that Unacademy has started the IELTS Plus live sessions, not just the recorded one but the Plus live sessions. This time definitely it has launched for the academic and the general training too. So let's understand the features that earlier were there and now also they are there. Let's go ahead. The first feature that was there is a regular doubt clearing session. Earlier also this feature was there. Now also this feature is here but with an improvised version. Now definitely whatever doubts, whatever questions you have, feel free to ask that in the live session. Next. The next feature is the daily assignments, but this time this feature is available only when you use the code Shruti. So make sure you use the code Shruti. If you use it, definitely you get daily practice exercise, daily assignments, which will actually make your base much stronger. Next. Now, the next is the frequent revision test. What we have seen, most of the time students fail to actually master the concepts because in every class they are just learning, but there is no revision. This time we are making sure that you do a lot of revision. Next, if you look at the next one, there are batch courses. No doubt earlier also they were there. You must have seen there on the app. My course is one of the popular course at Unacademy. But this time also you'll get a lot of batch courses and they'll help you to improve. Next. Now, what is the difference between a beginner level course and, for that matter of fact, what are other courses? The fact is that this time educators are teaching you from the very base, right? This time educator will make sure that you have learned the basics. So there'll be a beginner level course. Second, if you look here, in the beginner level course, the educator knows how to club it with actually the intermediate level course, or what is the right time when a student needs to move from the beginner level to an intermediate level. The next will be an advanced level course. So in this advanced level course, whatever concepts you have mastered in the basic and the intermediate level, they'll be supplemented with the advanced level course. Lastly, once you have gone through these basic trainings of the intermediate, basic and the advanced level, educator this time are making sure that you achieve a perfect band score of 8 or 9. And this you will achieve in the expert level course. Next. If you look at the next one, regular live quizzes are there. Definitely earlier also they were there, but this time with an improvised version. Next. Now, to avail the benefits of Plus, as I always say, you always have to use the code Shruti. So point number 1, you'll definitely get the daily assignments. Point number 2, you'll get the 10% discount. And the last point is that you'll be able to unlock all the tests, all the special classes too. Next. So go to my profile at unacademy.com and click on the follow button to get notifications. Next. This is the button. You all can have a look. This is the button. Next. Now, you all can join me at the Telegram channel IELTS by Shruti Kora. If you join here, make sure all your doubts will get cleared, right? Now, moving on to the next slide, if you look here, what is so different here, right? What is that innovation that Unacademy has provided this time in the IELTS Plus sessions? I'll tell you what is the innovation. So the first innovation is that there'll be live speaking test. There'll be IELTS live speaking test, right? And this time, all the best educators are there. Earlier, the list was quite long. That was quite a long list earlier, but this time They have selected only the best educators to train you, teach you, and guide you at the IELTS Plus platform. Next, of course, I'll be teaching live. I'm teaching live at Plus at Unacademy. I'll be there. Next, what else will be there? As I just mentioned, there'll be live speaking assessment. You are no longer at the mercy of an educator. That's a feature that IELTS Unacademy IELTS has provided. Next, what else will be there? There will be live writing assessments. Yes. And there'll be live reading and listening assessments will be there. Definitely, but speaking and writing is something which everybody wants to do live. Everybody wants the feedback and everybody wants to make sure that they are getting regular improvement in it. At the end of the day, before I bid adieu to you, before I say goodbye to all of you, make sure you use the code Shruti, join the live sessions. This is Shruti Kaura signing off for today. Thank you so much.